Hello, in today's video I have for you a haul from Temu. Here we go. Hello you all, I hope you're doing well. I have a Temu haul to share with you and I was really happy with some of the things that I got this time. Temu is an interesting website. They have affordable prices. You do need to be careful and read descriptions pretty carefully. I did not make any mistakes this time, so that was really good. I was happy with everything that I got. There's also free shipping and free returns, which is great. I have returned things. I haven't actually had to return anything. I just, one thing I told you in the other video that something didn't work. And so I just hit return on my phone and it gave me a credit and I was able to use that towards another purchase. And lots of forms of payment are accepted, so it's super easy to use. I have used my own personal credit card on there and I have felt fine about it. I shop online, so I guess I don't feel weird about sharing my information because I figure it's out there anyway because of all the shopping that I do online. I will put a code on the screen. My code is JOIN9364, and that will get you some coupons that you can use if you want to try the Temu site. It's also an app that you can download to your phone. You don't have to download the app. You can shop from a computer. So it's been really fun to see what they have. It's basically like other online marketplaces, but with better prices. A lot of times what happens online is that people like me, I could go buy a bunch of things from Temu and then I would resell, or from a wholesaler, and then I would resell them on another platform for a higher price. Then I'm getting some of the profit. Here we're cutting out the middleman. I'm getting it directly from the place where it's made, and so I get a better deal. So let's go ahead and see what I got. This time around I was able to allow Molly to pick a few things. You know that Molly graduated college. Molly's my second child. She graduated college. She's living at home for a while to save up some money, but she is planning probably in like a year to set up an apartment, move out. So she was able to choose a few things for her apartment and actually something for her bedroom here, which I will show you first. If you notice a glow, that's why it's down beneath me. And then I was able to pick some things for my home. I really love some of the things like okay, sorry, I had a tickle in my throat, which gives me the opportunity to show you the first thing I tried. I got this big cup from Temu. You know the ones the kids are carrying around. The ones the kids are carrying around are $40. $40. How much you want to bet they're made in a similar place than these? And this is great. So I've been trying to drink more water. This is a way I'm going to do it. Not to mention, I kind of get a workout because it's kind of heavy. It's great though. We'll see how long it keeps things cold. I haven't given it a test yet, but so I'm really happy with that. And I will put prices on the screen. They do tend to change from day to day. So the price you see here may not be exactly what you see on the website because also there's multiple sellers that sell the same things. It's just how it is. Because again, Temu is not a seller. It's like a marketplace, like other places where there's lots of sellers. So different sellers will have things priced for different prices. Okay. Also in the kitchen realm, I'll just show you these. I'm not sure how these are going to work. We'll see. They are silicone and they're made to like stretch over bowls and stuff so that you can like reuse them. So you don't have to use plastic wrap all the time. I don't know. I haven't tried them. Maybe I'll try one and stick it in here and let you know what I think. Here's the food cover. I think this is great. This is an irregular bowl. So this is something Molly made. So it's not like factory made, a standard size or anything. And this is great because sometimes like our penny pup doesn't want to eat her food and we want to put it back in the fridge. So this is a great solution for that. Sometimes I shove it in like a Ziploc bag. This will be much easier. And there's several sizes. I probably might have been able to do the smaller one. I'll have to figure all that out. But I think these are going to work really well. So thumbs up for this. Thumbs up. Okay, so those are those. I'm also planning to make some of the wax covered ones from some of my vintage tablecloth squares. I will show you that in a DIY video when it happens. But until then, maybe these will work. Okay, let's see. That's the random, oh wait, I got one more thing for the kitchen. Okay, now, one thing you should know. Sometimes the sellers package things in a bag. And they get damaged coming all that way in a bag. So my boxes have turned up damaged, but my items are not damaged, and if they are damaged, I will be able to return them. So this is for olive oil, and I usually buy like the aerosol spray, but I'm trying to have fewer things that I'm going to be throwing out in the kitchen. So I thought this, I've seen these on several like recipe channels, and I think that's really a great idea. This one is glass, which is really nice. And yeah, let's see if it works. Okay, I have it filled up. I have not tried it yet, so it might take a few pumps to get it going. We'll see. But I put olive oil. This is just extra virgin olive oil, which is what I buy in the aerosol. Let's see if we can get it going. Oh, yeah. Hey, that totally works. Good invention. Definitely be using this. I might even get one for Maddie, who has her own apartment. Great. Recommend. Okay, so bought that for the kitchen. Came in a damaged box, but the thing works fine, so that's good. Okay, the things that Molly got for her apartment. Well, this one's actually for her room. You saw the box. So this box was damaged, but the item works just fine. And again, if it didn't work, I would just click on the thing on my phone and say, item doesn't work, and I would get a refund. So here it is. Ah, isn't that so cute? So cute. So she ordered some greenery, like greenery squares from another online seller, and hung those on her wall. And then she wants to hang this on those. So if we get it done in time, I'll insert footage here of what it looks like. If not, you can rest assured that's what she's doing with this. It's going in her bedroom, which is downstairs. Oh, and I should tell you, it has an on-off switch. And it plugs into, it has a USB. So you just plug it into a block, or what I have down below me is a power strip that has USB ports in it. So that's what this is plugged into. So it doesn't have a regular cord. You plug the USB into a block or into a USB port, and that's how you light it up. Okay, so that is Molly's. Also for Molly, oh my gosh, these are so cute. She's really excited about them. She loves succulents, both fake and real. And so she chose these, which she thought were really cute and kind of goes with her boho vibe. So yeah, I'm not sure I would personally plant in here. I'd probably put a pot, set a pot in here, because I don't know, it just doesn't feel like normal ceramic, but they're super cute. Yeah, if you like set a pot in there. I mean, it's made so that you could, oops, sorry, I shook the camera. It's made so that you could plant in it. It has a little thing in the bottom so that it can drain, but I'm just not sure that I personally would. This one also has a little plug. So, but I think they're really cute and they're going to fit her aesthetic. I think she's going to be really pleased with them. She's not here right now. She's at her big girl job. I think I told you that's what she calls it. She's loving it. So that's terrific. I will show these things to her when she gets home. Okay, Molly got a few other things. She chose this shelf. It's a 3-tier. You can get it in like 2-tier and 4-tier, I think. Or no, it's 1, 2, or 3. And she chose the 3. But we thought this would be really cute in the corner of her room, hanging from the ceiling. She could put little faux plants on it. I wouldn't put a real plant, but she could definitely put faux plants on it. It's just mostly, you know, decorative. And we thought that was really, really cute. So I think she's going to be happy with that. And then she also chose some cutie little towels, kind of like hand towels for her new place. So they're really plush and hopefully absorbent. Mostly she just liked the colors and the design. So we thought those were really cute. For her bathroom, I guess she has a plan in mind for her new place. Okay, so those are Molly's things. Let me take a sip. Sorry, I have a tickle again. Okay, let's move on to the stuff that I got that is like more decorative. I got these. I know it's ironic, but you know, they got these for the 4th of July. I got a really good price on them. And they come with grommets, which is great. So I kind of wish I had ordered 2 packs because I don't think I got enough to cover the area on my deck that I wanted to, but I'm just going to do probably one side for we're going to have family in town for our 4th of July barbecue. And So that's what this is for. I just think I didn't get enough. I could go on and get some more. All right, I also have this. Isn't he so cute? So this is for my deck, and I'm going to put a little plant, a little pot on it. Probably something plastic, just in case it blows over. But it's pretty, like, you can't see, but it doesn't feel like it's going to blow over. But, you know, I have dogs, and they knock things over. But I just thought this was so, so cute. Oh, my gosh. I love it so much. Okay. All right, so let's move on to some other things that I got for the house. I got myself a tablecloth. I got this because I don't have a lot of like nice non-seasonal tablecloths. And I don't know if I've mentioned this, but my decor choices are kind of settling. I'm settling into the blue and white thing because I can add red, like my strawberry stuff for summer. I can add the jadeite. It goes with a lot of things. I mean, I have like a blue chair. I've always done blue, but I'm kind of settling my accents on like the blue and white stuff. So I got myself a tablecloth. This is really nice. It's really a nice length, and I love the edge of it. It's really pretty. So yeah, so I got a tablecloth, which if I get a chance, I will put it on the table and insert some footage here. Chris is currently working, so I need to make sure he's out of the way. Here is the tablecloth. It's so pretty on. I really like it. And I got a slightly longer length so that when I put, because I think there's only one leaf in the table right now and we have another leaf. So I can still use it if we entertain more people. And Chris likes it. I have a project going on over there, so that's why I'm trying to not show the mess. But anyway, I think it's really pretty. I like it. Sherman agrees. And along those same lines, for when I don't want to have a tablecloth, because I don't keep a tablecloth on the table all the time. Like I usually just do that from having like a dinner. But I did get this pretty runner, which I will also show you on the table, should the chance provide itself. I thought that was really pretty. It's got like, it's blue, but it's like a grayish blue too. Really nice. Definitely goes with my stuff. So I thought that was really pretty. And here's the runner. Also a good one. Now I have to decide which one I want to leave on because they're both really pretty. I was kind of really feeling the tablecloth, but it will get dirty. It'll get dirty within a week, and then I'll switch to the runner. All right, back to the video. Okay, and then the winner of the day. Oh my gosh. You know I love pillow covers. I have ordered pillow covers from other online marketplaces for years. And sometimes they're great, sometimes they're not. I scored with the ones from Temu that I chose. What I recommend, if you like these, search the word like embroidered pillow cover and a whole bunch of lovely ones come up, and they're really nice. So let me show you. I'm going to show you two here at the desk, and then I'll show you some that I already put in place. So Gabriel, my son, moved out. If you watch my vlog channel, you know that Gabriel moved out. And so, but his bed is still down in his room. He'll come home occasionally, but I am going to set it up too eventually as like a guest room too. I'm going to leave his stuff. He doesn't want his stuff out of there yet. I was like, okay, buddy, when you graduate college, then we'll talk. But I am going to have it nice down there so that, you know, if we have guests, we have another space for them to go. So I just wanted to get some pillows, like decorative pillows, just to brighten it up a little bit, make it a less of like a man cave, a teen man cave. So I'll show you footage of those, but I'll do that in a minute. Let me show you these first. So these are so nice, really lovely. I don't know if you can tell, they're just really heavy. They're embroidered. They have hidden zippers. That's the zipper. You can't see it at all. So you just get the pillow cover, which is what I generally order. I bought my pillow form. So, okay, well, let me show you the second one first. This is gorgeous. Oh, isn't that gorgeous? It's stitched. It's not printed. I just bought myself a printed one from another place, but this one is way nicer. I mean, I'm still going to use the other one, but I think this is gorgeous. And so it's just the pillow cover. I have pillow forms that I got at IKEA when I moved into this house. Now, we're going back 6 years, and they are still in really good shape. They're the down, you know, so those feathers come out sometimes, but that's okay. And so I just put the pillow forms into the pillow covers. This one, I did not have the proper sized pillow, so I just stuffed it with polyfill. I found a bag of polyfill. I think it was at the Goodwill bins or maybe at a thrift store. I don't remember. But I keep it on hand, and I stuffed it. And so I just think they're so pretty. This one's going to go on my bed. My bed does not look the greatest right now, so I'm not going to show that to you in place. This one's going to go out in the living room, and then I'll show you the ones on Gabe's bed. Here are the pillows I got for Gabriel's room. I just wanted to brighten it up a little. I got that blue one as well to tie into his big pillow back there. This one has gray and yellow. I thought the yellow made a nice pop of color on his bedding, so I think it's great. And they range in price, the pillow covers. I get it's like 19.5 by 19.5, essentially 20 by 20, because that's what my pillow forms are. And they range in price from about $5.50 up to like $8 for the ones that I got. So I just love them. I think they're great. Anyway, that is my Temu haul. I hope you enjoyed seeing what I chose this time. And don't forget to use that code for coupons. And I will see you in my next video on Sunday. It will be some sort of thrifting video. Thanks for watching. Bye. We can confirm. Hannah thinks my cup looks exactly the same. Yes.